To send money to an Alipay account, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have an account with a bank or a payment service that supports transfers to Alipay. Alipay is a popular Chinese online payment platform, and many banks and payment services have partnered with it to facilitate international money transfers. The first step is to gather the necessary information from the recipient, including their Alipay account name and the associated phone number or email address. You will also need to know the amount you want to transfer and the currency of the recipient's Alipay account. Next, log into your online banking or payment service account and navigate to the International Money Transfer section. Select Alipay as the recipient's bank or payment service and enter the recipient's information. You will need to provide the recipient's name, phone number or email address associated with their Alipay account, and the amount you want to transfer. You will also need to select the currency of the transfer and the payment method. The payment method can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card, depending on what is supported by your bank or payment service. Be aware that different payment methods may have different fees and exchange rates. After entering the transfer details, review the transaction carefully to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's information, the transfer amount, and the exchange rate. You should also check the fees associated with the transfer, as these can vary depending on the payment method and the bank or payment service. Once you have reviewed the transaction, confirm the transfer. The money will then be sent to the recipient's Alipay account, and they will receive a notification when the funds are available. The transfer time can vary depending on the bank or payment service and the recipient's location, but it is usually completed within a few minutes to a few hours. It is essential to note that Alipay has certain restrictions and requirements for international money transfers. For example, the recipient must have a verified Alipay account to receive international transfers. Additionally, there may be limits on the amount that can be transferred, and the recipient may need to provide identification to receive the funds. In conclusion, sending money to an Alipay account is a straightforward process that requires some basic information from the recipient and a few simple steps. By following these steps and being aware of the requirements and restrictions, you can easily transfer money to an Alipay account.